Every analytical test method must prove that it is reliable, accurate, and capable of producing consistent results. This process is called analytical method validation. In this video, we will understand every validation parameter according to ICH Q2R2 with practical pharmaceutical examples. What is method validation? Analytical method validation is a documented process that demonstrates an analytical method is suitable for its intended purpose. It confirms that the method consistently produced accurate, precise, and reliable results throughout its life cycle. Why validation is important? Method validation ensures product quality, patient safety, regulatory compliance, and data integrity. Regulatory agencies such as the US FDA, EMA, and WHO requires validated analytical method before pharmaceutical products can be approved. Validation parameters. According to ICH guideline, method validation includes several critical parameters. Let's understand each one in detail. Specificity. Specificity demonstrates that the analytical method measures only the analyte of interest without interference from impurities, degradants, excipients, or solvents. Peak purity and force degradation studies are commonly used to stabilize specificity. Next parameter is accuracy. Accuracy indicates how close the measured value is to the true value. It is generally evaluated through recovery studies at multiple concentration levels, such as 80%, 100%, and 120%. Recovery values between 98 and 102% are typically considered acceptable for assay methods. Precision. Precision evaluates the closeness of repeated measurements. It includes system precision, method precision, and intermediate precision or ruggedness also. Results are commonly expressed as percentage relative standard deviation. Lower RSD indicates better precision. Linearity. Linearity demonstrates that analytical response is directly proportional to analyte concentration. Calibration standards are analyzed over a specified range and the correlation coefficient should generally be greater than 0.999. Range is the interval between the highest and lowest concentration where the analytical method has demonstrated acceptable accuracy, precision, and linearity. LOD and LOQ. The detection limit is the smallest amount analyte that can be detected but not necessarily quantified. The quantitation limit is the lowest concentration that can be measured accurately and precisely. Robustness. Robustness evaluates the reliability of the analytical method when small deliberate changes are introduced, such as flow rate, pH, column, temperature, or mobile phase composition. A robust method continues to produce acceptable results despite these variations. System suitability. Before routine sample analysis, system suitability testing verifies that the HPLC system is performing properly. Parameters such as resolution, tailing factor, theoretical plate, and injection precision must meet predefined acceptance criteria. Summary. Final summary is that analytical method validation proves scientific evidence that an analytical procedure is reliable, accurate, precise, and suitable for its intended purpose. A well-validated method ensures regulatory compliance, protects patient safety, and maintains pharmaceutical product quality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more pharmaceutical quality control and analytical method validation tutorials.